Microsoft is making two key updates to File Explorer in Windows 11 that could improve both performance and usability. First, preloading. In the newest dev preview builds, File Explorer can preload itself in the background to launch faster, especially on slower devices like tablets or handhelds. Second, the context menu is getting a major declutter. Microsoft is moving less used actions into submenus so that only the essentials show up front. Actions like compress to zip, copy as path, set as desktop background, and rotate are being moved into a new Manage File flyout. Cloud-related commands, including OneDrive or third-party storage options, are grouped under a Cloud Provider submenu. These changes aren't just about looks. They aim to reduce cognitive load. A shorter, more organized context menu makes it easier to find what you need quickly. And yes, you can disable Explorer preloading if you don't want it running in the background all the time. This is a smart move from Microsoft. Preloading could make File Explorer feel snappier, especially for devices that don't already open it instantly.